Welcome to the project Motion Sensor Based Security Alert System through Light. So here we are going to have three sections: RPS, Regulated Power Supply System, and your driver circuit with LM35 comparator, and a switching system through track. So as I on the power supply kit, here this is your PR sensor. So this is passive infrared sensor, detects only live human beings through motion detection. So when I am on the particular kit, so the light gets on, indicating that the human beings are nearby according to the sensor. So when I make the sensor to be at non-motion detection, so when the human beings are not in that particular area, you have to wait for around 25 seconds. So in order to make the sensor sensitivity decrease, and then automatically the device which is under on state becomes to off mode. So here the switching system is controlled through track. So track can be driven through DAC here, and the LM35 sensor is used for the comparison. So here for comparator, as a potentiometer is used for your adjustments. So when the PR sensor detects the human beings, gives a high intensity voltage to the comparator, and depending on that, using the transistor switch, the load gets triggered. So when the PR sensor detects the human beings are not within the range, so automatically the load gets turned off. So wait for 25 seconds to make the device to off. When the sensor detects like there are no human beings within the range, automatically you can save the energy by putting the load under off state. So when the sensor indicates the beings are within the range, the intensity gets increased with on mode. Thank you.